Varanasi. Picture this. The sun rises over the Ganges River, casting golden reflections on the rippling water. Priests chant ancient hymns, the scent of incense fills the air, and hundreds of people gather at the ghats, some praying, some taking a dip in the sacred river. Welcome to Varanasi, the beating heart of India's spirituality. This city isn't just old, it's ancient. Over 3,000 years of history seep through its narrow alleyways and crumbling temples. And if you're here, you have to experience the Ganga Aarti at Dashashwamedh Ghat. As night falls, priests perform a mesmerizing fire ritual, swaying giant brass lamps in rhythmic motion while bells and chants echo through the air. It's a spiritual spectacle unlike anything else. But Varanasi isn't just about rituals. Walk through its chaotic, vibrant streets, and you'll find some of the best street food in India. Try the crispy kachori sabzi, sip on a frothy lassi from Blue Lassi Shop, or indulge in a Banarasi pan, a betel leaf filled with sweet spiced flavors. For a deeper dive into history, visit Sarnath, where Buddha gave his first sermon. And if you want a surreal experience, take a boat ride at dawn, watching the ghats come to life. It's peaceful, haunting, and utterly unforgettable.